Hello, thank you for joining RasPipKr tutorials. I'm Martin Parker, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking to you about the help command. It is built into your Python and it's very helpful. Let's just make this full screen. Now if I want to find out how to use the print command, I could just do the help in the brackets, add the word print, and it gives you information on how to use the help command. It tells you that it's a part of your built-in and how you can pass extra arguments into it onto where the end etc. Part is of your print statement. You can find out information on other things. I have previously used the help command when I was explaining the binary, hexadecimal and octal numbering in a previous video, but I'm doing a video in the next one or two of this playlist regarding context managers. So if you were to use the word with, even though it changed colour, so it is a command, you're going to get an error. But if you were to want to know how to use the with, if you do the help without any arguments passed into it, it will give you the built-in utility so you can find out about it. So now if I enter with, I can get the information on how to use the with statement. And if I get to the bottom, it's waiting for my next command. I haven't imported any libraries to get this working. But if you want to find out how to use the time library, it will give you the information on the time library. And I'm just going to scroll through this just so I can get to the bottom. So this can give you any library that you have as part of your Python. So if you've pip installed, which I'll do another video on, say the pillow library, then it would bring it up. So there we go. I will be doing a video on the OS library, so let's just do that as well. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of lines in there. I'm not going to click and go through all that. I can open it by double clicking, but I'm not going to. And to exit this interactive utility, I just need to just move my mouse, press enter, and it drops me out. So there we go. And to prove that I didn't have the time library in place, I can do time.ctime, and it's going to get me that error because I never imported it, but I still got the information by using the help utility. Same for the OS. I will be doing a video on OS, but it may be a few because, as you can see, there's quite a bit of functionality in it. So if I do os.get current working directory, there you go. I don't have it imported. So there we go. That is the help command. It's very useful, very helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you can. That would be fantastic. And I'll catch you in the next one.